Yo. Throw this in the back, in there.
But yeah, they're like, yeah, we don't know who comes to different shop. Another hour or two. And then they're like, oh, nah. They're talking to so
Yo. Yo.
Yeah. Everybody. Yeah. Still probably gonna do a one wheel peel because I noticed whenever I do the like locks diff, it always like messes something up, and I feel like it's gonna pull the diff or something. I don't think it's made to like do burnouts.
Oh.
Just gonna do a one wheel peel, very safe.
So the mission is today, guys, we're gonna destroy this truck's tires basically.
Yeah.
And we're looking for a back road right now, and we have like 15 minutes probably, not even, to just destroy these tires. So we're looking for a back road right now. Dang, bro. Oh no. Oh snap.
Still a one wheel.
All right, we should probably get out of here.
The first one. Oh, you're good.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Bro,
Dude, that was crazy.
in the video, please do not show this on YouTube, okay?
Yeah. Gosh, dude.
Snap.
It just smells like tires, bro.
Yeah. But the roll out after was
Literally, dude, like.
Yeah, you
oh
got
my
that on
gosh.
me.
Yeah, I
I
got
a little bit like this.
Oh man. Look at that.
Yo, sick. No, that looks kind of badass, like on the exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Leave it.
Yeah.